Hello, I'm Teacher Fran, and this is Teacher Manu's grammar class. Did you already watch the video, the casting? No? Go and watch it and then come back. Now, let's learn a little bit more about the differences between present simple and present continuous.
Present simple or present continuous? Let's find out. When do we use present simple? For things that are always true. When do we use present continuous? For things happening now or for temporary actions. For example, this week, this month. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What? I usually teach English, but now I'm teaching words. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. She's an actress, but this month she's working on a farm. Negative form. Michael doesn't often go on school trips, and that's why he's not coming with us this week. Interrogative form. Do you brush your teeth regularly?
Yes, I do.
Good.
No, I don't.
Okay. Are you taking notes?
Yes, I am.
Good job.
No, I'm not.
That's all for now. Bye.
Do you want to challenge yourself on present simple and present continuous? No problem. A new video is coming up with a super fun quiz. Keep watching.